Friends, here we are talking about bash dictionary variables. See, we already know like normal variables are useful to store a single value, arrays are useful to store multiple values. Now, bash dictionary variables are same as bash array variables, but these are useful to store values based on custom keys instead of index values. See, in our bash arrays, we can access values or we can store values into your bash arrays using index numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But bash dictionaries are slightly different. So instead of index values, we will use some custom keys to store values. That's it. We will see that. And these bash dictionaries are also called as associative arrays or hash tables. If you want to declare any variable as bash dictionary, then this is the syntax. Declare hyphen capital A, then your variable name. And this is the way how you can store values into it. See, simply my dictionary equals to first of all parenthesis. That means this is an array. But instead of directly giving values, with respect to key, we are storing our value. Or else we can also follow this syntax. Let me show you that. See, suppose first of all I am declaring a dictionary, let's say my dictionary, then my dictionary equals to. Now let me give some values to your dictionary. But here be clear, we don't directly give values like your bash arrays. Instead of that, we will take a key, and for that key we will assign a value. And those keys you can take any key. It is a custom key. See, suppose I am taking first key as, let's say, tool name, and value is, let's say, Docker. You can take one more key also. Let's say I am taking tool version. Its value I am giving as this one. Now here in your dictionary, your values are associated with keys. See, this value is associated with this key. That's why dictionaries are also called as key value pair representation. And here, if you want to see all the values which are there in your dictionary, you can follow the syntax which we used for our arrays. Same syntax. Save it and run it. Yes, you are getting all the values. And if you want to see all the index values for your array, what is the syntax you are using? This one. But here, this syntax will give keys, their index values in your bash arrays. But here, keys, tool name and tool version, you will get it. Let me save it and then run it. That's it. See, you are getting tool name and tool version. Both are keys in your dictionary. Then, suppose if you want to add new key value pair to your existing dictionary, yes, we can add it. Let's say I am taking your dictionary with new key. Suppose tool type I am taking equals to container. Now let me display all the values. Now observe the last line output. Yes, new item we added here, container. But be clear, dictionary don't follow the order. See, first we are giving Docker, next tool version, after that we added container. But you are getting Docker container, then version value. So dictionary don't follow the order. That's why basically whenever if you want to take any value, always you will take with respect to its key. Suppose I want to see, let's say, Docker value, then for that you have to take your dictionary with respect to key, that is tool name. That's it. Now save it and run it. Observe the last line output. Yes, you are getting Docker because you are printing from my dictionary tool name key value, that is Docker. Suppose I want to delete any one of the value. Let's say this value I want to delete. Then with respect to key only you can delete it. If you remember, we used unset for arrays. Same syntax. My dictionary, then here key. But in your arrays, index number we will provide here, but here we will provide key. So after that I am displaying all the values which are there in your dictionary. Now observe the last line output. You are getting only two, Docker and container. You are not getting this value. Initially you are having Docker and version. Later we added container. After that we deleted tool version, this one. That's why only two values are remaining in your dictionary. That's it. So guys, this is very simple information about your dictionaries, but once you use this dictionary concept in your shell scripts, then you will be good with this. Okay, thank you.